By the time you notice your vision is getting worse, the damage has already been happening for years. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD, is the leading cause of blindness in people over 50. It affects 170 million people worldwide, and the medical system has no cure. No drug reverses it. The only thing that actually works is prevention. And prevention starts in the macula, the center of your retina, long before any symptom appears. Most people learn about AMD too late. By the time vision loss becomes noticeable, up to 30% of the macula may already be damaged beyond repair. The window to act is now, not when symptoms appear, not in 5 years, now. There is a tiny red berry that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years, specifically to treat eye conditions. It is called the goji berry, Lycium barbarum, and it contains the highest concentration of zeaxanthin of any food on earth. Not spinach, not eggs, not kale, goji berries. And zeaxanthin is the exact compound your macula uses as its primary shield against light damage. The difference in concentration is not marginal. Goji berries contain roughly 3 times more zeaxanthin per gram than any other food source that has been scientifically measured. That gap is what makes this berry extraordinary. Here is the mechanism. Your macula contains a pigment, macular pigment optical density, MPOD, that acts like built-in sunglasses for your retina. It filters damaging blue light before it can oxidize your photoreceptor cells. When MPOD is high, your retina is protected. When it drops, and it drops with age, with screen time, with poor diet, your photoreceptors are exposed. That exposure, compounded over years, is exactly what becomes AMD. And here is what most people do not know. MPOD is not fixed. It is dynamic. You can actually rebuild it. Now here is the study that changes everything. University of California, Davis, 2021. Randomized controlled trial. 27 participants aged 45 to 65. One group ate 28 grams of goji berries 5 times a week for 90 days. The other group took a lutein and zeaxanthin supplement, the kind sold in every pharmacy. After 90 days, the goji group showed a significant increase in MPOD. The supplement group showed 0 change. A handful of real berries outperformed the pharmaceutical supplement. Your eyes are the only organ in your body exposed directly to light every single day of your life. What you feed them determines how long they last. A second study, 114 patients with early AMD, 25 grams of goji berries daily for 90 days. Result? Serum zeaxanthin levels increased significantly in the goji group. The control group showed no change. The macula was being resupplied with exactly what it needs to slow the damage. 2 studies, 2 populations, the same conclusion. The berry works. The preparation is simple. Take a small handful of dried goji berries. Soak them in warm water for 5 minutes. Drink the water and eat the berries. You can also blend them into a smoothie or stir them into yogurt. The key is consistency. 5 times a week, every week. That is the exact protocol used in both studies that showed measurable results. Do not replace meals. Do not overthink it. Just add them to what you are already doing. Small habit, real protection. 2 things. If you take blood thinners like warfarin, talk to your doctor first. Goji berries can interact with anticoagulant medication. And if you have a nightshade allergy, start with a very small amount and monitor your response. For everyone else, this berry has been consumed daily across China for 2,000 years. Try this for 90 days. Track whether your eyes feel less strained at screens. Track your night vision. Track how your eyes feel in bright light. The UC Davis study showed measurable change in 90 days. Your macula is not passive. It responds to what you give it. Your eyes are already capable of rebuilding their shield. Give them what they need, 1 handful at a time.